dates in case you've forgotten. We'll be ready. 3, 2, 1, go! It's always one. New eardrums are available from the stores on the wall. Alright, okay. Right, I think that's spoken up the surrounding countryside. It's like the light out of the world, right? So there you go.